Hi, friends. Today, I am talking about Charlie and Chocolate Factory. Let us go.
Charlie and the Chocolate Factory is a delightful story about a young boy named Charlie Bucket who lives in a small house with his parents and 4 grandparents. They are very poor and can barely afford enough food to eat. Despite their hardships, Charlie is a kind and hopeful boy who dreams of a better life.
One day, the famous chocolatier Willy Wonka announces a contest. 5 golden tickets are hidden in chocolate bars around the world. The lucky finders will win a tour of his mysterious chocolate factory and a lifetime supply of chocolate. Charlie dreams of finding a golden ticket, but his family can only afford 1 chocolate bar a year.
By a stroke of luck, Charlie finds money on the street and buys a chocolate bar. To his amazement, he discovers a golden ticket inside. Excitedly, he prepares for the tour with 4 other children: Augustus Gloop, Veruca Salt, Violet Beauregarde, and Mike TV. Each of these children has their own flaws, like gluttony, spoiled behavior, and impatience.
On the day of the tour, Charlie and the other ticket holders enter Willy Wonka's magical factory. Inside, they see amazing sights, like a chocolate river, edible plants, and Oompa Loompas, the little workers who help Wonka create his confections. Each room they visit showcases Wonka's creativity and the wonders of chocolate.
However, as the tour progresses, the other children fall victim to their own bad habits. Augustus gets stuck in the chocolate river, Veruca is chased by squirrels, Violet turns into a giant blueberry, and Mike gets shrunk down to a tiny size. Charlie, staying humble and kind, navigates the factory with care.
At the end of the tour, Willy Wonka reveals that he has been looking for an heir to take over his factory. Impressed by Charlie's good heart and integrity, he offers him the chance to inherit the chocolate factory. Overjoyed, Charlie accepts the offer and his family's life changes forever. They move into the factory and Charlie's dreams of a better life come true.
The story teaches important lessons about kindness, humility, and the consequences of one's actions, all wrapped up in a fun and magical adventure.